Three little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry. Okay, these are blueberries or bloopers. Three little birdies sat on my I went past what I was. Oh my god. Three little birds sat on my window. Damn. Shawty bait, no, okay, no. And I hate to do this to you on your birthday. Happy birthday, by the way. Ooh, not exactly a part of the video, but damn. Bloop. Okay, I want to try this again. And I hate to do this to you on your birthday. Happy birthday, by the way. Sebastian, go get my tea. I'm tired. I just reheard it in the in the birthday was like too high, so I'm gonna try it again to like. And I hate to do this to you on your birthday. Happy birthday, by the way. Okay, my voice was a little too deep, even though I can go like, hi! Ew. Three little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry. Oh. COVID got me. I want to try 2 songs in my actual voice. So, three little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry. I'm gonna do the birthday one, okay? Like, and I hate to do this to you on your birthday. Happy birthday, by the way. I mean, that wasn't that bad. I don't know. I am thinking about doing a face review if we manage to hit 1,000. And I'm figuring out how to do a live until I realize we have to like have 1,000 subscribers. Me and Koki, well, she made an Instagram for us, so we'll be hoping to go on lives there. So it'll be exciting. So haha. How was your day? I honestly don't know what to talk about on here. Thank you so much for the love and support. I will be posting more. I'll try to. And I'm so excited because I get to dye my hair. Finally. Who knows where the hell is Koki? Because I can't find them anywhere. Like, I think they only posted a Yumiko sleepover, and it was actually really good. I liked it. I personally loved it. So I'll see you in the next video. So have a wonderful day, and watch out for seagulls on your windows.